Good morning. This is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and it's the Saturday before Thanksgiving, and it's time to cook. It's time to get in the mood for the holidays, and being keto, I can find keto recipes that pretty much, I haven't found anything that I can't cook on keto except bread and potatoes and corn and beans. But everything else I can make, and I'm excited. And this morning I am going to make some sausage balls. I'm gonna have a house full of people over here on Thanksgiving Day, but I'm just making these because I've got from today until next Thursday to eat. And I mean, you know, I eat every day, but I've got to today through next Thursday that I have to eat besides Thanksgiving dinner, which I'm going to be fixing, but I'm not going to start that until Tuesday. Yeah, I'm going to put my turkey into brine on Monday night. And then Tuesday I'll start making the desserts or whatever. But I'm just making some snacks today. And I have this recipe that I got from, wait a minute, let me figure out. Low carb peace, peace, love, and lowcarb.com. And this is for keto sausage balls. And I'm excited about this. I've got my pan over here with the non-stick aluminum foil on it. I've got a pound of sausage in here. I'm going to put in the recipe calls for 1 cup of blanched almond flour. And I got this from Walmart, and it's okay. I've just ordered, I mean, I have gotten, since then, I have gotten the, what is it, the Bob's or whatever. And so after I use this, I'll be going to the Bob's. I got that at Sam's for an amazing price, 3 pounds of it. And so I'm going to be using that after I finish using all this. All right, so here is 1 cup of the blanched almond flour. All right. I need 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, and this is just cheese that I grinded up in my food processor, and I put it in bags and eat it all the time. So I'm going to put pretty much, I guess, all of this. Yeah, all of this. A heaping cup of sharp cheddar cheese. I need a 1/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and I've just got this Kraft here that I'm going to put that in here. All right. Got Sheep's calls for minced onions in hers, but I do not want that. I don't want any onions in this, so I'm gonna get 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and this is the baking powder that I use. All right. 1, 2. I was thinking about putting some cayenne pepper in here because I do kind of like it a little spicy, and I didn't think about getting hot sausage because I'm making, this is from Jimmy Dean's. I got a 3-pound roll of it at Sam's, and so I've took 1 pound out of it, and I'm going to use the other 2 pounds for a keto stuffing mix. All right, so I'm going to put my egg in here. Regina's phone's going off. So, alright. And I think that's everything that I need. I've taken my rings off. And now I'm just going to get in here and mix this around. And get all this mixed up. And then I'm going to... I thought I was going to be able to use my ice cream scoop to make the little sausage balls, but my ice cream scoop is real big, and I didn't get a little one like a dummy, so I'm gonna have to just measure these out and hope that I can get them right. I probably will err on the small side versus the larger size. And 4 of these, I think that's what, yes, 4 of these sausage balls, if you make 24. If you make 24 of these sausage balls, 4 of them is 3.5 grams of carbs, which is really pretty good. That's the net carbs. Alright, so I'm gonna mix all this up and get it together well, and I will bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, now I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and here's the bowl of the sausage, and I'm just going to get out enough and make a ball out of it. Just roll it up in my, it's too big. Roll it up in my hand and make a ball. And I'm going to put as many as I can in here. And if you've got an ice cream scoop, the little one would be the one that you want to use. Like I said, I've got the big one, and I should have gotten a little one for this. Alright, so I'm going to get off here and finish these, and I'll bring you back when they're all finished on the pan. Okay, here's the sausage balls. I'm getting ready to put them in the oven on 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll have to check them because of the heat of your oven. It's anywhere from 15 to, I've heard some people say it's taking theirs 22, 23 minutes. I would say start checking them at 15 minutes. And it made 24. And I couldn't, some of them, like this one is big, and this one is pretty big, that one, if I'd had the scoop, I could have gotten them all the same size. But anyway, I'm going to put these in the oven now for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll let you know when I get them out. Okay, I'm back. All right, here are the sausage balls or whatever, keto sausage balls, and it took 32 minutes in my oven to cook these. I want you to look. Oh, they're just, they look so good. I can't wait to taste these. My mom made sausage balls every year at Christmas, and of course that was with regular flour or whatever, but I can't wait to see if these taste like anything like them. Oh my goodness. I don't see any difference. These are amazing. Now that I know, I'm going to fix them with Italian sausage. I'm gonna mix some Italian sausage and some hot Italian sausage And I'm going to make some throughout the holidays. Oh my gosh, they are so good. And 4 of them, let's see, what were they? 3.5 grams of carbs for 4 of these. And that's if you make 24. Of course, if you made more, it would be less. But for 24, it's 3.5 grams of carbs. Oh my gosh, these are so good. If you have not made these and you are keto, you have got to give these a try for this holiday season. These are amazing. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to look below for I'll put the website of where I got these from, so you can go there and get the recipe. I'm telling you, these are amazing. Alright, I'm gonna get out here. You have a good day. Bye.